Hi, today I'm going to share with you how you can replay and download old TikTok live streams step by step. If you do have any questions at all, feel free to let me know in the description below. Now, this can be up to the last 60 days. So only 60 days, not actually 60 live streams. So the last 60 days, all the live streams will be accessible in the platform itself. So this is a platform here, which is streamrecorder.io. I will leave a link in the description and on the top of the comments. It will be pinned on the top. So you need to click on start for free here at the top right. This is the first thing you need to do. Click start free. And then you need to go down to here where it says create new account. So all you do now is sign up with the Google, sign up with Discord, put your username in, email, and your password, and then create your account. And then it'll automatically log you into your account. I'm going to share with you what it will look like when you do log in. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log into my account here. So this is what it will look like when you first log in. Now this can be used for TikTok, Twitch, and Kick. All three of those platforms, the three big main platforms that everyone knows. This is used for mainly for people that want to either download their content and edit it, or if you have someone that does the editing for you, they can just use this sort of platform to download and maybe get clips and upload it to TikTok or upload on YouTube. So this is the main reason why people use these platforms. And the way that you can do this is simple. You want to grab someone's live stream. So the link or the name. I'm just going to grab this guy as an example. Now, he would have to have previous live streams that are uploaded on TikTok. If he doesn't, then it won't show up. But there you go. It fetched his username, which is this guy's right here, which is re.tiktok. And you can see it's right there. He's live right now. So it doesn't look like he has any previous live streams, but there is another way that I can just quickly show you that it does work. So if we go to the website right here, let's go platforms and just go down to TikTok. I'm just going to grab a random streamer here. I don't know, just anyone really. I'm not really worried. This one, we'll just go with this one. So we'll just click on monitor this streamer. All we've done is taken the username. We could take the username and just put it in there as well. But there you go. As you can see, 73 live streams this person has done. And you can see right here, 76 live streams. You get it at high quality. You see all the pages right here. So this is the last 60 days. Now, if you want to have access to all of these, you will need to have premium. But if you aren't premium, you get access to the last 5 days of streams. So the last 5 streams that they've done in the last 5 days, you'll get access to them. So you can download it very easily. As you can see right here, you see these 3 little dots right here. You click on that and you can see the little download symbol right here. 1080p or 720p, and then you can just click on download and it should download it. So you can also replay the stream as well. So just click on whatever stream, it should load it up and it should show you right now playing. There you go. As you can see, it is playing the live stream of this person in high quality 1080p, and that's how simple it is. Now this is how you can download and maybe upload clips. If you're a gamer, anything like that, that is how you can download on this platform. And you can rewatch your streams as well, as long as you're premium. So if you do go to premium right here, so it tells you how much it costs, $10 for a month, 3 months, 12 months, it really depends. You save more depending on how much you how long you want to pay for. And this is everything that you have access to. So last 60 streams saved, and you get it up to 4K as well. Fastest download rate, and there you go. So that's how it works. If you do have any questions at all, feel free to let me know in the comments below. If you do once again want to sign up, this is the name of the streaming platform right here, streamrecorder.io. And once again, all you have to do is put the name or the link of the streamer in here and click on start recording, and it should automatically upload their stream onto your platform. If you have any questions at all, feel free to let me know. I'll see you next time. See you later.